The tide doesn't actually come in and out. What? What happens is there is a bulge of water, two of them, on opposite sides of the Earth, caused by the sun and the moon, and Earth turns inside that bulge. Mm-hmm. So when we say the water rises and falls tidally, what's happening is we are rotating into the bulge and then out of the bulge. Yeah. Already there.
And all we kind of do is pass through the bulge.
Pass through, and the water gets high and it gets low. So we're stuck with language from our own perspective rather than language of what's actually happening. It's simpler that way to say the water goes in and out. It's simpler to say the sun set rather than Earth rotated such that our angle of view on the stationary sun fell below our local horizon.
Right. Yeah, sunset is far more poetic.
Yeah, you go to the sunset tables, to look this up.
Yeah, because you can't say to a girl, hey, how'd you like to go and watch the angular momentum of the Earth cause the sun to disappear behind a horizon?
Hello, where'd you go? Let's look at just the Earth and the moon for the moment. Okay.
Which many people think the moon is what causes it.
No, the moon is 2/3 of the tides.
Okay.
The sun is another, it's 2/3, 3/4, depends on the distance. The sun has its own tides on the Earth.
Oh, snap.
Wait, in fact, the tides that the moon raises on Earth are the same no matter the phase.
Okay. No matter the phase of the moon, which there are some people believe that when you have a full moon, what you have is a higher tide because you have a fuller moon.
You do have a higher tide.
Oh, snap.
But the tide that the moon raises on the Earth is basically the same no matter its phase.
No matter its phase.
What happens at full moon is that the sun's tides add to the moon's tides precisely.
Oh, snap. We talking about a tide assist from the sun?
Tide assist.
Oh!
A tide assist. And so that's why...
And that coincides with the full moon.
Coincides with the full moon. Because the full moon, you got the moon here, Earth, and the sun. Everybody lines up.
That's what it is.
In fact, we have a word for that.
Go ahead.
That has the most number of letters when scripted, a dip below the line.
Okay.
I know that's a weird record to hold.
Right.
The word is syzygy. So syzygy is when 3 or more objects come into alignment in, cosmically.
Right.
So you have the moon, the Earth,